Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by reducing variables. Unplug everything but the fiber router and ONT or modem so signals are clean. Once done, check and note your network name and password. This restores Wi-Fi quickly after reset. If you have custom IP, DHCP reservations, or VLAN, record them now because a full reset erases those. Make sure you have a small pin tool handy for the reset hole. Now power cycle the router once to see if that fixes it before committing to a factory reset. You'll press and hold the recessed reset pin for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs blink or change pattern. That tells you the router accepted a factory reset. Release the pin and then be patient. The device needs 5 to 10 minutes to fully reboot and for Google's cloud to reapply firmware and basic settings. Once the lights stabilize, open the Google Fiber app or connect to 192, 168, 86. 1 to walk through setup. Make sure to re-enter your network name and password. This restores connectivity. After setup, restore any saved configurations like DNS, static IPs, port forwards, and VLAN because these won't survive a factory reset. If you still lack internet, verify the ONT or fiber terminal has a solid link and power, then confirm there's no ISP outage. Once you've isolated the problem, make sure the router firmware finished updating. Sometimes services are delayed until that finishes. As a troubleshooting tip, plug a laptop directly into the router with Ethernet to determine whether the issue is Wi-Fi or WAN related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.